Good morning, folks. My name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2013 3750. That's a front living in a Infinity. Beautiful fifth wheel. Let's go inside and take a look at some of the things inside. Folks, this front living Infinity has got a great living room, upper deck living room. It's got a fireplace, 2 sleeper sofas, lots of windows. Also in your kitchen area has plenty of counter space, table and chairs, 18 cubic foot refrigerator. The nice thing about the front living, it has a rear bath, which has a lot of room in the shower, very tall. It's plumb for a washer and dryer. Has a walk around, and someone has put a queen bed in it, but could easily be replaced with a king bed. Lots of closet space. Once again, folks, thank you for your time. My name is Rich.White. You can contact me on my cell phone directly at 541-521-8914. Thank you again.